girl helps a boy, the male ego gets hurted.
Yes, it's true.
It's up to person, it's up to family, or all family they are not treating women like when very bad. What which things should be changed in our society? Parents should spend more money on.
If we
For
talk about
past time-
past, now if you talk about now
But
census,
the
I
thing
don't
is
think that girls
if,
are behind boys.
if girl
Dominating society of India,
Right,
male
already
dominating
dominating.
society.
is that who give that opportunity to dominate the world? Dominate 2-year-olds, and he get a married 28-year-old because of that government job. Can you?
Always you are ready to play victim cards. Why? Now you are.
Because we are being praised, we are being victims of the.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Today we are here to discuss about like who is better, like boys or girls. So we are going to support boys. Why boys are better than girls? So shall we start? Thank you.
So introduce first one by one your name.
Okay,
So you can go for start first your name.
Hello everyone. My name is Priya. Today I'm introduce myself and I also describe why girls better than boys. So today I'm here. Thank you.
Good morning, good morning, everyone. Today I'm here to represent my topic in how exact way we can say that girls are far better than boys by various means.
good morning everybody. Good morning sir.
Good morning.
I am sitting here in front of you because today topic is why boys better than girls. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sudhir Singh. Today we are going to discuss about boys or girl. Who is better than? Who is better?
Absolutely right. So now, firstly, would like to speak about that boys and girls. Boys.
Boys.
Okay. Speak first. What the reason is?
So, like,
use proper mic and explain. Let them explain everyone.
okay.
Okay, that's okay. Fine.
Okay, like today we are going to discuss about boys and girls. So I support boys because I feel like in society boys they are doing more hard work. Especially if I'm talking about like very lower level work also. Who is doing? Boys they are doing. Like if I'm saying street cleaning, like manhole also they are cleaning. Like in garbage rag packer also they are men. So many lower level work also boys they are doing in our society. So we should respect them according to like girls they can't do this type of work. Mostly girls they want to stay at home also. Like they do many things in home chores also. But today I'm going to support boys, so that's why I will support boys. But if I will say boys take more responsibility. If I'm talking about like new generation also, now girls they are working with boys in many company, in many corporate sector also, in many reputed company girls they are working like a HR also. But which things I notice in our economy also, in all over the world, mostly men they are working very hardly. Especially you can see everywhere many rickshaw puller also, you can see many cleaner, many housekeeping staff also, you can see in many malls, any supermarket also, you can see easily you will find boys they are working very well because they have responsibilities. So I can say more tough decision and more I can say tough responsibility boys they can take. And especially if I'm talking about like decision making, mostly girls, which things I notice in girl personality, they take decision very emotionally. So sometimes they are very confused. But boys also they are very emotional weak. They also they have emotions everything, but they are very strong, I can say emotionally. So in tough time also girls always they weep, they cry, but boys always use their mind. They know very well how to run their family, how to maintain everything. So that's why they take very strong responsibility and they are very mentally very strong more than girls. So that's why I think better than girls. And if I'm talking about like social media influencer, like nowadays what is going on now, many men also they are making very stupid thing also, very vulgarity they are spreading in our society. But which thing I notice, mostly 80-90% girls they are making nonsense content on social media. So that's why in our society also they are spreading negativity and vulgarity. So who is responsible? Girls. So boys always they are against this type of content. But what is the problem now in society? Many fake feminist girls they are supporting this type of content, and they support this type of stupid girl also on social media openly, especially in Bollywood actors. So I support this type of thing. Many people they can do, but with respect, like which things we are going to give in our society. So we should think about before do something. We have to think. So according to me, boys are better than girls. I
You-
can speak more, but सबका number है.
You said that boys pay hard job, but if girls are able to maintain their education level so high that they are not entitled to do housekeeping, working as a lady house helper, what's the problem with the male society? India is a male dominating society, and they always pinch women just because if you found any single girl which is heading you, leading on you, then your male ego gets hurt. And that's the major problem of our society. Like you are saying that girls are emotionally weak. Can you give me an example of any one single male who is able to manage household work as well as their professional life? Not a single person is able to manage personal as well as professional life parallelly, such like a woman is able to do this. Nowadays women are studying, they are working hard, but it's not like that they had sacrificed their personal life. They are maintaining their professional life very well as well with their personal life. So your point that girls are emotionally weak, mentally weak, it's totally outwasted. And if you see huge examples of Pratibha Patil, Indira Gandhi, they were the one who was able to manage the entire country with their house. So you just lost your point.
Because boys is better than girls. Mainly boys are very hard working in many fields like electric department, and they mainly hard job and dangerous job in electric department. So girls are not working according to boys because they're dangerous job. This is a climb on long pipes and long big things of electric wiring, is a cleaning and repairing those things in your area and your city and your street. So this is a very risky job. So I think girls is not work like a boy.
So for my opinion, I don't think so. Girls are not doing a dangerous job. I don't think, because I saw many girls who do just like profession is different. Just like you already told that someone is climbing and then cleaning and all. So it's not true. Most of girls are working because we know about the courage. Every one girl, it's more courageable. So I don't think so. Girls are very weak for now time. Even past time, there is a no, big no. Every one girl should be a very courageable woman for now time, and also a big responsibility to manage your household and then professional life as well. So I don't think so. There is a no way to go where man is equality. Then we also perform very well in our life. So I don't think so. I don't think so. The boys is much courageable, yeah, much intelligent and then much professional. I don't think so, for my opinion.
But you have seen mainly you know mainly electric department and BSS like a more department. There is no any girls in the repair department. So
There is a...
Can you please tell me any 5 professions in which it is mentioned that girls are prohibited here? Any 5? That girls are not allowed to do this profession.
I have mentioned.
It is mentioned in the constitution that girls can't do.
There is
But earlier people used to say that trekking or athletes, it's only activity which a man can do. But Bachendri Pal, the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest 7 times,
Okay, I accept.
there is
it, but
no such profession in which girls are prohibited.
Yeah, but this time, who is going to stop you? Like you can do whatever you want. Like nowadays, people they are doing. Many girls also. I work in Noida. I have seen many girls also. They don't have talent because they are girl, they are beautiful, they are getting opportunity. So many girls using this type of thing also, especially in private sector also.
Then why men are falling on the beauty of girls? They just give them jobs on the basis of talent.
Why our Prime Minister She is not very
No, there are many examples. If you are going to talk about like few example like Pratibha Singh Patil, you have seen many like freedom fighter also. You can see mostly men they sacrifice their life. Especially like Bhagat Singh, there are you can read the history. Mostly you will see the
We
men,
can't
they
talk
sacrifice.
about.
we
We
They
can't.
lost their life just for our country.
We can't
Very
talk
mostly.
about
And many
ancient
few-
times.
Many few example you will get there like Jhansi Ki Rani, and many other ladies they sacrifice their life. But
Earlier in ancient times, women were not allowed to to exit from their home and to choose the profession they wanted to do. So we can't enroll that time period by now. Now each and every parent allow their child to do whatever they want
Yeah.
to do. So nowadays we can't say that girls are
we
any
are-
more behind than
we are
boys.
living in 21st century. All people they have rights, and we are living in democracy country. So we have rights to speak also against everything. But what I notice in one thing, now girls they are taking like especially if I'm talking about like in India also 70-80% like rape cases and molestation cases they are fake. And what girls they are doing, many boys they are in prison just because girls they charge fake charges, rape charges and molestation charges, and sometimes we can get justice like after 20 years, after 15 years, but sometimes we can't get dignity is more important in our society. What happened, like any rapist caught by police, there is no any proof, but girl said like he did something wrong with me. So what our media also, our society also, they treat them like their family, boys family, like, and openly they reveal their face also on social media. So sometimes many people they are committing suicide also just because of that. So girls they are taking advantage also just because they have rights. So
Do you really think a girl just sacrifice her respect for a male ego, for a ego that a person should be in prison? No. Even you are a boy and you can't pay for your respect, then why you think that girls are paying for the respect?
It's easy to say, but what like mostly we face society. You know, mostly
Okay,
girls
for in
they
case-
stay at home. But when something any fight, anything happen in our society, when somebody is going to die, also mostly men they stand front of them, and they face the society. We have to talk everyone in society. Also, we mostly men make society.
It's a male dominating society.
It's not a
Males have been
male-dominating
dominated
society. It's
women.
not a male dominating society. It's a society. Girls also, many girls also I have seen in many women, they fight openly like without any thinking. They are fighting each other, and mostly, but men calmly take decision. Okay, you don't need to fight. Okay, I will manage. I will talk. So they know how to handle the situation. But mostly girls they don't know how to handle the situation. They get very angry very quickly.
Same as boys as well. Same as boys as well. I don't think so. Okay, if someone girl is fighting for someone for inner influence and then something, boys also doing these things in present scenario. I'm not agree with your point. Yes.
Like you are saying that boys are much better than girls. In what perspective are saying that girls are behind boys? Can you please explain any 5 points that girls are behind than boys in any 5 points, any 5 professions?
Already I mentioned many points.
But is it mentioned there that girls can't do this? Is it mentioned there?
No, girls they can do, but we
But
can't
girls
compare.
always get criticized. First by their society, second by their family, and third by the male ego personalities. Girls always used to get
These
criticized.
things I notice, like already we have very soft corner for girls, so that's why always we support girls. In any accident also happen on the road also, when any girl sees passing by scooty and suddenly any accident happens, so mostly many people they are ready to help that lady. But same thing happened with boys also, so nobody will come. People
It's
they
not a
abuse
matter
also
that girls
openly.
have to do. We are not asking for help. If a person
So-
is saying a girl, it's his male thinking
we
that a
have-
girls are weak.
So,
It's
so
male
we
thinking
no we
that
have
girls are
soft corner
weak.
for girls, so it doesn't mean like we are bad. We are better than girls. That's why we are always ready to help them. We are always ready to help.
If
you.
a girl helps a boy, the male ego gets hurted.
Yes, it's true.
I have seen many girls like many accident happen. Like no, mostly very few girls they ask what happened. Mostly by boys they are ready to help always. So who is better? Like boys are ready. Okay.
Okay, like boys go to if you are working, like you just leave your house at 9, return to 5. Same a girl, she is working 9 to 5 in her office, maintaining a professional life. After 5, she has to come home, do all the house chores, and if she manages a housemaid or a house helper with her, she always gets a taunt that what you are doing, what you have to do.
It's up to family, not all family.
criticize.
It's up to
Women
fa-
are being
it's up
criticized
to-
since past.
It's up to person, it's up to family. Or all family, they are not treating women like in very bad way.
Do you think a man can handle both professional and personal life?
They are doing.
No, they aren't.
They are
They
doing.
are, give any 5 examples.
Now, in generation, many people,
Do
many
you think
couple-
that a doctor which is paying duty 6 hours in a hospital, when he returns to home, he cooks dinner for each and every person in their family?
I have my some
No.
friend and they are doing also. They are living in like a.
Not for a daily basis.
But we
not
can't
for a
say
daily
that
basis.
minorities can't be over majorities. Majority of the person do only professional life, but girls have to pay both. They have to pay professional life
But-
as well as their personal life. You won't found
Now
any
time
person
has been
who is
changed
saying
and
that
both-
don't do household
now
chores because you are a
time has been changed
professional.
and girls and boys they are doing together everything they are doing. They are fulfilling their dream and they are doing hard work together. Not only one person, single person.
Then why you
girls
can't
stay with someone who is not ready to help her. In this
Same boys, if your mother always asks you to cook food for yourself, clean your coat, you'll get fed up with your mom also one day. Then why you think that a woman is made to do all household chores? Why you think that she is made to do cooking, she is made to do clean the house? Why? Even NDA offers, NDA has also offered a courses for India that girls can join army through an entrance exam, which was earlier only for boys. So you can't say that boys are much better than girls. Even boys aren't better than girls. Because there are many physical changes, emotional changes which a girl always faces. A boy can't. You can't even face 4 days cramp pain that a girl is feeling. Still, she is able to manage her professional and personal life.
Yeah, I agree in these things, but I can say like it doesn't mean like if girls she is suffering from any pain, both they are not doing. We are not going to show everything what we are going on inside our body. So like mentally also, physically also, many boys they are working in corporate sector and boys they are going to torture them, but still they have to do everything for their family because they have EMI responsibility, family responsibility, their children
I'm not agree with
responsibility.
that. Because every girls should do your pay bills, your chores, and then even providing food for our house. So I don't agree with that. Only boys do can everything.
I'm not talking about, I'm saying mentally also they are getting too much pain, but they are not going to say everything by mouth like what we are feeling.
If
Sometimes
you will
we
be-
hide everything. We can't explain in the word,
If
but
you will
mostly
be-
girls they
Girls also very emotional, and even they also not share for everything.
girls they are more
everyone.
chit chat. They can
If
say
boys
everything.
are being exploited by the society,
And many colonial,
they are being
many colony,
dominated.
many neighbor also they can share everything. They can fight everything.
If
They
boys
explain
feels
everything.
exploitation and demonetization, na, then no boy would say that yeah, our life is better than girls. You don't know how dominating society is to us, how society exploit us, what's the pain we all are having just because you can't imagine it, because you can't experience
I
it.
don't agree. Like not all people they are same because mostly if you have good education, you have a good intelligence also. So you can write for your right also. And now girls they are taking equal rights in every family most of the time. Yeah, some family they don't allow just because of their welfare. Like for example, many parents they say you don't need to go there because it's too late. So it doesn't mean we are not going to give right to them.
We feel-
are worried.
we feel anything when we
Parents they are
experience
worried
them.
for their children. That's why they are saying this type of thing.
We feel anything whenever we experience
And later
them.
on,
A professional.
when children they be
Okay, so now we can take the question of the audience, okay? So that, okay, so can you offer me one mic? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first audience, like who wants to ask a question to? Okay, okay, what's your good name, ma'am?
So my name is Anita.
Okay, your question to?
Sir,
Sudhir. Okay, give him
Sudhir.
mic, okay.
sir, he said that male only face the society. So why you think that male only face the society?
Society means that people or
No, sir, I already told you, but I repeat again. Like when like somebody is going to die, also like in our society, also mostly men they sit on the chair, and we. I have seen my parents also. I have seen mostly men they lead the front.
Women so many times heard about the divorce, not male.
Yes, if a divorcee woman facing lots of trouble in our lives, not a male. A male have lots
There
of
is a-
opportunity
if-
to live
if
in
you- if you
relationship
want to do
with
argument
get
on
a
this
girlfriend
topic,
and
I'm ready to do the argument. Mostly like many girls they say like they got divorced. I respect them, but I say what they are doing nowadays. They are saying I got divorced and half property they are getting easily. And many boys also, if see like one boy, he is living in only 30
properties they want to this
So should I reply to Priya or should I reply to ma'am?
First.
Okay. What she asked?
No. I'm just supporting her.
Okay.
because female families give the dowry. That's why they want to their money.
No, if ma'am, if like somebody is going to ask dowry, so you don't need to give. Who is going to force you? Like you have to give dowry, then we will accept your daughter. So if somebody is going to ask dowry, so parents should deny. Sorry, we can't give our daughter to you. We have to. And first of all, I feel like in our society, which things should be changed in our society, parents should spend more money on their education, their daughter education. But what they think, oh, I have to save money for their marriage. This is a very stupid mentality in our society which is going on.
Not about the girl. This is about the society.
That's because the society is asking dowry.
Not many. I have.
There are some.
Hello everyone, my name is Atul Bhardwaj. So as we know, today's topic are between girls and boys. So we are in the side of boys. So first I want to tell you, can you tell me who is the richest person of the India or the world? Can you give the example
Okay.
of one of them?
We know that Ratan Tata and Mukesh Ambani are the one.
Who leading the major economy? So can you give me example?
Can you give me that nowadays we are using ultrasound? Who was the first person to introduce X-rays, radioactive decays, radioactive substances?
Marie Curie.
Yeah, she was a woman.
I know that's, but the
Inventions
can
are
you-
made by women.
But the matter is that what is the percentage of what
Do you
is the
think
percent?
girls get the same advantages or same upbringing as a boy is having? No.
Yes,
If you
For
talk about
past time-
past. Now, if you talk about now
but
census,
the
I
thing
don't
is
think so that girls
if-
are behind boys.
If girl giving opportunity to boys to head the world, so they have grabbed the opportunity and they are heroes of the
Now
world.
you said that girls are giving
And
opportunities.
Yes, they are giving, because as we know, it is a medically proven that the physically and mentally more stronger the boys.
Not for men.
Yes, but they give that opportunity to grab the leading the world, so they grab, and if someone not grab, it is your mistake.
Okay, then tell me why a male person isn't able to manage personal and professional life as that of a female. Why he doesn't used to make breakfast in the morning, pack his or her lunch for the office, do office work, had a great professional life, and as well as while returning to home, leading a beautiful personal life.
But the thing is that from the beginning, the girl's mentality is that if I don't get a job, I get married a person who get a better job, and I will work at home. So this is
Where is
a
it
from
mentioned?
beginning mentality. Not
It was an ancient mentality when girls weren't able to get the opportunity to work. Now, if you ask any of a girl present even here, they won't say that they want to be a housewife. They all will say that they want to develop a professional career because they are getting opportunities.
But boys do not have that opportunity. If they don't get a job, they will. It can be a possibility they no one girl married to that boys. It is a reality. You can't.
Even boys as well. If her not career oriented girls, or even.
But the thing is that if girl not get a job, it is a high possibility that they get a married. They get married, but
No, nowadays, each and every girl want to be
has a
self-dependent.
opportunity that if he don't get a job in well profession.
And you know the reason behind it? The reason is that dominating society of India,
Like
male
already
dominating
dominating.
society.
Is that who give that opportunity to dominate the world?
No, like now what is going on? Like mostly girls, they are very selfish. They are very greedy. I have seen. They don't want to get married with any private job worker. Mostly they prefer to
they want
government job.
IT
Doesn't
engineer.
matter. If boys is having government job, so he is ready to get married with Jethalal also.
Okay, if you are if you are
Only they
getting
are
two
very
options,
greedy-minded, they are
like
ready
you
to
put
get married.
TMK aussi na, if you are
Doesn't matter
getting
personality, but when they are having boyfriend, so they want a boyfriend like a Ritik Roshan, Tiger Shroff.
beautiful
But
if you want
one by one.
if you want to marry Daya or Babita, obviously you will ask for Babita na, because she is oriented, well educated. No one would favor that. Yeah, I want a wife like Daya.
Can you explain me why there are so much intention to getting a government job? Can you explain this? Because of that girl. Because if someone get a government job, it is a high probability to getting a beautiful married girl.
Then it's the greed of boys na, that they want a government job so that they could marry a
I
beautiful
also,
woman.
Like you can see many YouTubers, they are asking in Central Park in CP also, like which type boyfriend do you want? So mostly girls say, boys should be like Ritik Roshan, Tiger Shroff. He should have six pack, something like that. So what is the mentality? So no, many girls.
No, if we'll ask you, will you marry Draupadi Murmu, a personality like
But the
her,
thing is
a lady like
but
her?
is the thing that if he not get a job, it will not expect that like of girl Katrina Kaif.
Absolutely. If boy he has money, he's ready to get married with any fatty boys also.
Yes.
Anand Ambani also, many girls. If Salman Khan also, he said like I'm going to get married. So many girls will say we will ready to get married.
In my neighborhood, there is only
he
a
has name, fame. That's why girls they are very greedy.
in my neighborhood the girl is only a 22-year-old and he get a married 28-year-old because of that government job. Can you explain this? Why the parent do that?
Parents. You said parents. Father
But
work
parent-
came in
in
parents.
the-
And
in
father.
in these
Indian parents want a
but the thing that in these parents the mother also come, they also a girl. Why they want
Just
that?
because India is a male dominating society.
That's why she wanted her
Always you are ready to play victim cards. Why? Now you are.
Because we are being praised, we are being victims of the male dominating society. That's why we are playing our
you are
victim
not a
cards.
victim. In previous time, in incest time, it happened, but not nowadays. Girls, they are
Just
getting
go
right.
with the ratio of crime rate in India. You will find that there is no change. Only a little bit change of 5 to 10%
we
came.
can't remove the crime in our society.
Okay, everyone.
Thank you.